Hi, Diane Michael here with the Callan Group, and today I want to talk to you about the opportunities that the Business in a Box program offers you in the future. There are so many different facets to this business that it's hard to give you all the information in one little 10-minute or less vlog. So I've kind of split things up so that it's not too overwhelming all at one time. But today I'd like to focus on the future and what that could look like to you, because that may give you some things to think about when deciding to do the Business in a Box program or not. Basically, as I'm sure you've seen already with looking at our other vlogs, the Business in a Box program is an opportunity for a highly motivated individual who wants financial freedom, who has the ability to work remotely, who knows how to help businesses grow and succeed, and who can be very creative when it comes to marketing businesses to their clients through custom email newsletters. That's what the Callan Group Business in a Box program does as a whole. When you get to a point, now let me step back for a second. Some of our reps, our mompreneurs, our entrepreneurs, our salespeople, some of them may only want to do 10 accounts a month. That's basically 20 hours a month, and that can bring in anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000. So some people, that may be all that they want to do, all that they have time for, or all that they need. Others, like me in the beginning, the sky's the limit. I want as many clients as possible, because when you're talking about compounded residual income, you're talking an opportunity for $20,000 to $30,000 a month. Now, it's not simple. It does require work, but I want to share with you my experience because I've been there. The first year of operating the Callan Group, not only did I create the business, make the website, do the marketing materials, do the networking, get my name out there, focus on the business plan, do the budgeting, I recruited my clients. First week I was in the field, I recruited 8 clients at about $200 a month. And then each month I grew and grew and grew. There wasn't one month that I didn't create an opportunity to work with another client. By the end of my first year, I had about 80 clients. Now, some of them I did 100% of the work for, some of them I did 75% of the work for, and others I just was the architect that was putting everything together, because there are some clients that will pay a little bit more than the national companies so that you actually do the construction of the piece to make it look professional. So it was a very interesting array of clients, if you will. It was really wonderful. But 80 clients a month was about 160 hours a month. You take each one, you average it by 2. With growing the business, with learning the business, with keeping up with the business, I was working all the time. I was working all the time. I mean, what is 160 hours a week? And let's say it's usually a 4-week. I mean, that's only 40 hours, but that's just working on clients. That's not working on growing my business. That's not networking. That's not building the business. That's not researching other companies. That's not focusing on anything other than templates. So I was working like a dog for the first year. I realized very quickly that I didn't want to work like that. I used to work like that when I worked for nonprofits. I would work 60 hours a week, and I loved what I did. So, you know the saying, you don't feel like you're really working. But I got into my own business, and I created this opportunity so that I could have the freedom of working the schedule I want, making the type of money I wanted to, not being a slave really to my clients, if you will. When you owe them templates, you have to give them templates. So they come before my needs, or they came before my needs. And I'm a strong believer from a mentor of mine who said, put the oxygen mask on you first. Just like when you're in a plane, you don't save your kid unless you put the oxygen mask on you first so that you then have enough oxygen to be able to be up and alive to save them. So I really realized I needed to change the way I was doing business. So that's when the Business in a Box program came into play. So for reps and for Business in a Box mompreneurs, entrepreneurs, whatever you want to call your title, you also have the opportunity to turn it into a Business in a Box program. We have a 52-week program called Learn, Grow, Love that each week focuses on a quote and an action plan through learning, growing, and loving. It's already done for you. You have the tools to do it on your own, but a lot of times, why would you want to recreate the wheel? You can go out and recruit your own reps, and they can pay you, and then you can educate them on how to build their business. It really is a multi-level marketing type of pyramid thing, which a lot of times, people's psychology is either or not when it comes to multi-level marketing. But basically, it's the opportunity of growth. Once you get to the point where you can't possibly take any more clients, you can either turn it into, now you can do the Business in a Box program where you can sell the program, and I'll help walk you through that. Or you can look at your clients on an ABC basis and decide, do you want to look at the C clients who may be taking up more time, not paying as much as the A clients, and then opening the door to allow for new people to come in. So there's a lot of growth and opportunity in the Callan Group's Business in a Box program. Something to consider when you're looking at the investment that you would be making. For more information about the program, please give me a call at 386-538-1083, and even better by email, which is Diane, Diane, at the Callan, CallanGRP.com. And the last part of that is obviously our website, thecallangrp.com. Thank you for the opportunity to listen to what we are offering, and I'd love to talk with you. Have a great day.